Let's see how we can solve a double absolute value equation. So we have the absolute value of x plus 43 that's equal to absolute value of 2x minus 10. And of course, the first thing is that we have to take out the absolute value, but we have to do it really carefully. First off, when we take them out, we can really just take them out, but that will be the first case. So I will just write this right here, it's case 1. So we'll just have x plus 43, and that's equal to 2x minus 10. That's good. And then we will also have to consider case 2. And yeah, there are only 2 cases. The second case is that we are going to take out the absolute value and we are going to put a negative on one of the sides. That's all. So perhaps I'm just going to keep the left hand side as x plus 43. But for the right hand side, we will have a negative in front of that 2x minus 10. Alright? And now we can just proceed. For the first one, of course, we can just minus 2x on both sides. And then they will cancel, and then we can just minus 43 on both sides. So that they will cancel, and then we will just end up with negative x, right? Because x minus 2x is negative x. And that will give us this, and that is negative 53. Negative x is equal to negative 53. So we'll just divide both sides by negative 1. So they cancel. X equals positive 53. So that would be the first answer. Now for the second answer, distribute the negative, we will get x plus 43 equals negative 2x, and then negative times negative, we get a positive 10. And then do the same thing. Move this to the other side, but this time we will have to add 2x on both sides. So this and that will cancel, and then minus 43 on both sides. Here this and that will cancel, and we will have this and that is 3x, that's equal to 10 minus 43, we get negative 33. And lastly, we'll just have to divide both sides by 3, and the answer will be x equals negative 11. So we have these 2 answers. Make sure you provide both 53 and negative 11. That's it.